budding artists! Today, we're blooming with creativity as we draw and color a beautiful flower together. Let's get started on this colorful journey. Welcome to Toddler's Art Hub. Grab your black marker and let's kick things off. Start by drawing a circle. Then, bring it to life with 8 lovely petals. Add a stem and a pair of leaves to complete our flower.
Wow!
Make those lines stand out by ensuring they're bold and sharp. This will make our flower look more vibrant and ready for the coloring adventure. Here come the color pens. Let's dive into the colors while naming each one. Yellow color. Red color. Orange color. Yellow color. Green color. Blue color. Indigo color. Purple color. Pink color. Bottle green color. Green color. Well done, little artists! You've created a stunning flower bursting with colorful energy. Keep exploring your artistic world and remember, every stroke brings joy. Until next time, keep drawing and keep blooming with creativity. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.